What is up, party people? Welcome to Durham, North Carolina. The city turned 150 years old this year. The home of Duke University, Durham is a thriving city full of art and culture. Durham is a city built on tobacco, but as the tobacco industry dwindled, Durham has adapted and turned those old tobacco factories into the coolest parts of town. There's American Tobacco, the former home of the Lucky Strike cigarette factory that now houses apartments, restaurants, a barbershop, a documentary theater, and much more. And there's the Brightleaf District, where another 2 tobacco warehouses have been renovated into shops, restaurants, and plenty of nightlife. Here we play the Durham Performing Arts Center, also affectionately referred to as DPAC. Built in 2008, this gorgeous state-of-the-art theater seats just over 2,700. DPAC is one of the 24 prestigious Nederlander theaters in the world, with sister theaters in New York, LA, Chicago, San Diego, Tucson, and London. DPAC also has a very cool tradition of parody wall tags for shows that come through. It all started with Shrek, who, instead of doing a classic wall tag for their show, did a parody of the Lion King's wall tag, which had also recently come through. Since then, countless other touring productions have taken up the mantle and created their own wall tags using the art from a different show. Not to disappoint, Ray and Ryan made our wall tag in honor of one of our collective favorite shows on Broadway this past year, Head Over Heels. Great job, you guys. Durham is a great town that I could easily see myself in. If you find yourself here, you gotta go to a Tobacco Road and get a burger, and Mateo for some tapas. I recommend the chocolate mousse for dessert. Next stop, Columbia, South Carolina. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams, and cheers.